If you followed me for any length of time, you know we've done millions with paid presentations. This means paid webinars, paid challenges, paid summits. And so I held an online event recently where during a VIP session, a gentleman asked me, hey, when do I pitch? When do I sell this? How do I take them to whatever page? And how does that all work? And so I explained it to him on that event, and I thought I would grab a clip of that and share it with you here on YouTube so that you could learn from it as well. And if you'd like to attend my next online event, I'll leave a link in the description. Here's the clip. Please enjoy.
I've got a 5,000 USD offer that I'm selling right now on just sales calls. Right now I've got a VSL that's booking calls for me pretty nicely. And I want to kind of just step away from one-to-one sales calls and be able to just hold monthly 2 to 3 day workshops and then sell to the masses essentially. How do I pitch the 5K offer?
Here's how I do it, okay? You teach. On the third day, you send them to a free application, okay? The application is meant to go to a breakout room where you're gonna pitch the offer, right? So on day 3 to VIP, you go to, hey, apply for free. On day 4 to general, you say, hey, apply for free. After day 4, right here, is when you do the breakout room. And this room is just for the pitch. Now, if you are 10K or less, go right to the offer page. You just spent 4 days with them. You'll have a total of 5. It's $5 grand, bro. You don't need to do any sort of communication whatsoever. Just send them to the offer page.
So no breakout room needed. You just chuck them straight.
No. You do the breakout room, but I'm saying you go right to a page for them to enter their credit card. Now, if you're 10K to 20K, I like to go to a text close. Okay. And how that works, and you guys will see me do it. I take you to an offer page. It explains the offer. I ask for a $1,000 refundable deposit. I then say, once you submit your deposit, you're going to get my phone number. You text me on this phone. I have closed literally hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales after my challenge, just texting. And then on the 5th day, you're just taking them back to apply. What I do is I go to the offer page and I just put the replay here. I take the recording and I put it on the offer page. They apply, it goes to the next one. Boom.